Hello, my name is Erik and welcome to our continued conversation on executive functions for students. This is going to be an example of a maintenance routine. And this one is highly important. It really needs to be incorporated in all aspects of our civilization, to be honest with you. It's one that we're starting to understand why this is so important. But we can start with the individual and us. And moms and dads, I'm sure you will love this one. This is a maintenance routine. So a basic maintenance routine is the wrap-up. And the wrap-up means this. At the end of any work session, you put all your materials away, you set the workstation back to where it was, so when you come back to it for the next time you work, it's ready to go. And if it happens to be at the end of the day, I would have your workstation set up with the cords so you can charge all your devices. And in today's world, you even have backpacks that even have spots where you can even put your computers and stuff away, and you can even charge them all in their backpack. I can't tell you how many times I've had students who will be working, especially if we're on a Zoom call or something like that, and their computer dies because they didn't charge it, or they forgot to charge it because they're not thinking about it, they're just grabbing and going. Same with phones. So having a wrap-up routine not only preps your workspace and also preps your materials for the next day and puts them ready to go, it also preps your devices at the end of the day so you're always ready. Once again, these are things we just will become routine, we can forget about, but then it's just handled. Thank you very much for watching the video. We will see you next time, and remember, enjoy the process.